MULN Stock Analysis and MULN Stock Prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. I've done 37,000 videos, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and you bet I know what's making me money and what's not. So, with this in mind, Mullen Automotive, it's just such a bearish market, and I'm not even trying to, be or play smart here. It's just the truth and the reality, and I do have all the proof to back it up of how bearish I was. I mean, the most short sales that I've gotten was literally 2023 when I just shorted the crap out of it. But right now, this is where we are, and let me just mark up this thing over here. It's still a bearish market for me, so nothing is going to be changed. Nothing. Not in a way that I'm just going to short sell. No, want to see my rules met like they got met before, which I deleted most of the tickers, most of the chart. Like, I've hidden them because look how much proof I've got here. And it's freaking, you can't see it because it's either dark. Yeah, for sure. Or, oh yeah, you can see it right now. Right here, you see all these links, it's just me being short. So I'm just saying, a lot of stuff has gone into it. So if you want to make more money consistently trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.